Hey everyone, we're going to solve the equation cosine of 2 theta equals negative 1/2. Give a general formula for all solutions and list the 6 solutions. The first thing we're going to do is treat this 2 theta as alpha. So if I had cosine of alpha equals negative 1/2, I would get alpha equals, and we're looking where x is negative 1/2, and that occurs for cosine in quadrant 2 and 3. So we want our alpha to be 2 pi divided by 3 and 4 pi divided by 3. Therefore, we're going to set this equal to alpha, because if 2 theta equals alpha, we will get our solution. So let's set it equal to alpha. So we have 2 alphas in our case. 2 theta equals 2 pi divided by 3 plus 2k pi. And then when you divide both sides by 2, or multiply, we'll just multiply through by 1/2. You're going to get theta equals pi divided by 3 plus k pi. And for us, k is going to be any integer. All right. And now let's do this one. We get 2 theta equals 4 pi divided by 3. And then your 2k pi. Multiply through by 1/2. You get theta equals 2 pi divided by 3 plus k pi. So here are your general formulas. Now, from here, we just have to list 6 solutions. So if we let k equal 0, remember k can be any integer. If we get k equals 0 for this one, we're going to have just theta equals pi divided by 3. All right, if k is 1, then what we have is pi divided by 3 plus pi. So to have a common denominator, just write 3 divided by 3. So if you add 1, you get 4 pi divided by 3. So this is if k is 1. And I'm going to write it here. This is k equals 0. This is k equals 1. And then all you have to do from here is just to keep adding 3 pi divided by 3. Because if k is 2, you just add another one. So 4 pi plus 3 pi is 7 pi divided by 3. If you want another angle, you add 3 pi, and that gives you 10 pi divided by 3. You can also subtract. We can say k is negative 1. If you subtract 3 pi, if k is negative 1, you would get theta equals negative 2 pi divided by 3. You can go on and on and on. You just have to list 6 solutions. Now, usually, since we also have this formula, we can also use this one. So let me erase this. If k is 0, for this one, you get theta equals 2 pi divided by 3. And then from here, if k is 1, you're just going to do like we did before, 2 pi divided by 3 plus 3 pi divided by 3, because that's just pi. So you just keep adding 3 pi. So that's going to be 5 pi divided by 3. Add 3 again, 8 pi divided by 3. Add 3 again, 11 pi divided by 3. So we already have 8 solutions. You want to do negative 1, you subtract 3 pi, and this will be negative pi divided by 3. So it says just list 6 solutions. So we have 10 solutions. Usually they like you to at least pick 3 from this formula and 3 from this formula. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.